to these events to spend time with Travis, but he's just signing autographs the whole time, so we might as well go skate. We are in St. Pete, Florida for Travis's boat race, but I just discovered that this skate park lives here in St. Pete. All this time, all these boat races. Finally found it.
Had a great practice, really sketchy practice. I guess, how was your practice?
Yeah, skating was pretty sketchy too. The pole is big. I want to come back someday, so I guess we gotta keep racing.
All right, well, now we're off to qualifying and hopefully we can get both. 1100 horsepower. Twin turbo on each side. Just qualified pole. Really excited about that. These guys have been working so hard. We were so on top of the game last year. To come back to this final round St. Pete, very technical course. We were about 4/10 ahead of the 222 offshore, who's the current world champions. They were calling for calm waters, but after the hurricane, it did not calm down. It's gonna be awesome.
We are currently at Tony Hawk Incorporated to skate Tony's vert ramp. It's basically the best vert ramp there ever was. I don't know if I can do this. This ramp's been here for 20 years and it's still just perfect. Something about the way it's structured is just, you never guess if the coping's sticking out here, if there's a sketchy thing here, it's just perfect always.
Welcome back to California.
So I don't know if you know this, but we're trying to build a vert ramp.
Yeah.
And it needs to be perfect.
Are you gonna take the same dimensions from this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think so. The she shred.
Yeah, she shred. I like it.
Yeah.
I'll come as long as, you know, when Travis isn't home.
Smart.
Yeah.
That's a smart play. Yep.
Yeah. I haven't done a backflip on a motorcycle and I don't plan on it anytime soon.
It's a misconception. Like, you don't push anything.
You're lying.
I'm ready.
You just come straight
Yep,
out swinging, huh?
I just, you know, we just landed like an hour ago and I only got so much time in the day. Trav, is that you? I just don't really grind. This is like 20 years in right here. I mean, look, they're Costins. This is what I want. 11.5 transition, 2 feet of brake. It's extra perfect now that it has a skate light, so we're gonna need that. Hi, skate light. My name's Lyn-Z Pastrana and I'm building a vert ramp. Do you want to surface it? No, but really. Please. That was fun. Had a good session. Definitely confirmed that those are the specs I want for my ramp. And now off to the next place to see what else we want to add to the she shred. Just got to Elliot's house and we're gonna check it out, hopefully skate.
How's it going, guys?
Good to see ya.
You too. Welcome to the Sloan Yard. This is Iggy. That's Moose. My first pro wheel. My buddy did the artwork for that. This other Danny cover. There's another one I have in here too. I just had Tony sign actually. Little kid at heart. I still collect figures and collectibles and all kinds of stuff, but yeah, besides that, this is my like studio room. It used to be a garage and converted it to a studio pretty quick.
X Games medal wall. The only year I have that you have, I have this.
Oh, nice. That was my
16?
first one, actually. Steve Cab did this painting of Moose for my birthday.
Oh, that's sick.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
It's you, buddy. Got a bunch of boards, been collecting these for a while. I'm missing a Lyn-Z board though, I don't know.
I know.
Where's that at?
I don't
Come on,
have
dude.
one. I never made
Come
them.
on. These were probably some of my favorite, the Big Lebowski.
Yeah.
Sopranos pinball, really fun. E.T., I love that guy.
I'm digging this quarter pipe
Deck, yeah.
deck right here.
Yeah, and it's really cool how the guys built it too. They grinded the concrete down so they didn't have to put like a metal transition piece. It's just like seamless into the concrete.
That's sick. All right, Nate, we need some cool things like this at Pastrana Land. Gotta like make the whole property a skate park. It's up to Travis. We need a gym too. And check it out, a lap pool. Travis been asking for one for like 10 years. It's just got it dialed. Like, this is what we need around the she shed. We need like family space. We need the hot tub, fire pit, a grill, Travis's lap pool,
Succulents.
sauna.
Sauna for sure.
Well, I've skated this vert ramp before, but I haven't been here since Mini Mega Parker. It's not mini at all. I've been thinking about the roll-ins on my ramp being kind of like this, like banks. So it'll be good to skate that and see if it feels steep. Then I can make sure that I make ours mellower. What are these specs compared to Tony's ramp?
It's like 11.9 with 2 feet of vert.
So it's just slightly bigger. It felt bigger.
Slightly bigger. I'd say this compared to Tony's is maybe a little harder to maintain your speed. I think 11.5 you'll be solid.
Try and get a feel for what it's like airing into this bank, because I think it's a pretty similar angle that we were planning on doing. But then talking to Elliot, he was saying he wishes it was more flat because it's kind of abrupt. I'd like it almost a little less steep.
So I kind of took a little bit from all these ramps that I liked. I mean, that was from YMCA and Encinitas, DC, and then this was kind of the DC ramp too. It had like so this is a 12-foot transition, 2 feet of vert.
I think I got enough info about that bank.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a think about it.
Really?
Yeah,
maybe just one?
Maybe one and less of an angle.
Yeah, for sure, less of an angle.
This isn't anything we're gonna add to Pastrana Land, but prepping for tour, I need to skate this stuff, but I'm kind of nervous. Like, I'm a mom. I coach competitive cheerleading. Man, I feel like I'm a little kid again.
You can do it. Did she get close to the edge on that one? A little bit. How was that? Chill?
No.
Or kind of fast?
I didn't like it. It was fine, but
I didn't like it! I don't want it!
It was fine, but I didn't like it.
Well, now you're ready for tour.
Yeah.
That's it. One and done.
Well, I think I got the dimensions we need for this quarter. We got some ideas. Be more selfish. Just make the one that I want instead of doing two. I think that might be a good idea.
The ideas are flowing now.
Yep. Yeah, we did that roll-in. I was very scared, but I think maybe I'll be more ready for tour.
Yeah,
So
ready for tour.
good to go. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
See you later.
Yeah.
Son, I love thrills like a middle school crush. If I can't die, there ain't no adrenaline rush. Watch me fly by through the sky on my dirt bike, reppin' 199, cause I'm coming in clutch. Seem like 99, I've been here, couple big nuts. Seem like since then, every year, couple big cups, couple big